We have a Tesla Model 3 in. We are going to be installing the third Vorsteiner Volta kit. But besides just doing the Vorsteiner kit, we're also adding some extra carbon fiber add-ons to it. Now, this isn't real, but the cool thing is this will allow me to show you what real carbon fiber looks like compared to something that's more like a replica. The mini spoiler.
Spoiler on a spoiler.
Spoiler on a spoiler.
Spoiler alert. Will the trunk open properly?
Yeah. So right now we're putting tape on the front lip spoiler just to give it a nice snug fit.
Can you give me a blade? So this was on the side, right?
Yeah, you took it off?
It's just kind of hard to see. It's not symmetrical, right? What do? You make it symmetrical. That's a better spot, huh?
All right, so we have the front lip installed. We're now gonna work on this carbon fiber fog light, not fog light, turn
thing. Carbon. All right, thanks, Sean. Got you.
Moments later.
Another Tesla Model 3 that we are done with. Let me show you what it looks like. So this one came to us already with some modifications done, but I have to say that I think what we added on was the best, of course. It's like full Vorsteiner Volta kit on this one. White Model 3s with the carbon fiber kit just looks so good. It's just a nice hard contrast. Here's the front lip spoiler. We also added the carbon fiber around the bottom lights. This is not real carbon fiber. This is real carbon fiber. Hopefully you can see, or hopefully the camera can capture the difference and just how it looks. This one definitely looks a lot flatter because it's not real, whereas this one has much more of a dimensional look to it. Like, I can tell that's not real, but close up like this, it's very obvious. And of course, the Volta side skirts running all the way along to the back. Aggressive Volta rear spoiler sitting on the trunk. And we even added this little rear spoiler that sits on the back window, so it's kind of cute. This monster of a diffuser. I don't think I'm ever gonna get tired of looking at this thing. What a statement it makes. So hopefully you guys like what we did with this one. If you guys want the same kit for your Tesla Model 3, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Really glad that we got this project done. Now the client can take it home, put it in his garage, and go nowhere with it because we're still on lockdown. Guys, look how many Teslas we have here. And we also have one right there too. We're so grateful for this.